Hi everyone, it's Tandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be showing y'all a quick and easy hairstyle idea using DYHAIR777's Headband Wig. So without any further ado, let's go on with today's video. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my natural hair. I'm going to be dividing my hair into 4 different sections using these hair ties, and then I'm going to spray this leave-in, conditioner, oil, and water mix, and I'm going to be combing out each section using this wide tooth comb. I'm now going to begin the slick back process so that my natural hair can be flat under the wig. I'm going to comb in the middle of my head, kind of messing up my middle part, and I'm going to comb my hair back. And then I'm going to be using this Wave Enforcer bristle brush to slick my hair back. And then I'm going to be using some hair gel to slick my hair back. Since my edges are going to be out for this wig, I need to make sure that I pay extra special attention to make sure that my edges are looking good. Okay, so I've slicked my hair down and now I'm going to brush a little bit more on my edges just to make sure they're as sleek as possible. Now I'm going to use another hair tie to tuck in the little puff that I have here at the back. Next, I'm going to put on my wig cap. Now it's time to put on the wig. The wig that I'll be using today was kindly sent to me by DYHAIR777. Please check out the description box down below for some links and a coupon code. I absolutely love this wig's packaging. It came in this really cute canvas drawstring bag with the company's logo on the front as well as the company's website. So when you open the bag, you will see your wig in this black bag. And then you will see a cute little hair clip. Mine says happy on it. And then you will see a business card. And on the back of the business card, there'll be some instructions for hair care. I'm going to take the wig out of its little bag. This is what the wig looks like. I'm not going to remove the net. And this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. This hair is 18 inches long, has a body wave texture, and it is Brazilian. The exact link to this wig will be in the description box down below. Along with the wig comes a headband of your choice. I personally chose this charcoal gray headband, and at the back you will see this elastic. On the actual wig, there is a headband, and it is attached using Velcro right here. And there's also combs on the wig just to make sure that it stays secure all day. Now I'm going to put the wig on. So I'm going to start off by undoing the Velcro, and then I'm going to smooth out the hair a little bit. And now I'm going to position it on my head. I'm going to make sure that it covers my wig cap completely, and I'm going to secure the combs into my hair. So this is what the wig looks like before I add on the other headband on top. I absolutely love the texture and feel of the hair. It just feels so high quality and I feel like it looks really nice. Now I'm going to put the other headband on. So this is what the wig looks like with the other headband on top. I really like it. Now I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb to just comb out the hair. I am now going to spray in this leave-in conditioner. Since this hair is 100% human, you are able to wash it and deep condition it. You are also able to use heat tools on it. However, if you do choose to use heat, I would recommend using a heat protectant and not applying heat too often, as that may cause damage. I absolutely love the way this hair looks when it's just down. However, you can style this wig in many different ways. For example, you could put it into a ponytail, just like that, or like this. I think this is a really cute hairstyle. You could also put the hair in a high ponytail like this. I like the way the high ponytail looks. I think it looks super duper cute. This hair is just so versatile and you can do a lot of different hairstyles with it. Overall, I really love this wig, and I especially love the texture and how soft it is. I would 100% recommend this wig if you want a quick and easy everyday hairstyle. Unfortunately, you guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed me showing y'all a quick and easy hairstyle using DYHAIR777's Headband Wig. Please remember to check out the description box down below for some links and a coupon code. If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!